Whoa, Aiden, that looks really cool. It's a super rocket ship.
Hey guys, we got some Blockaroos.
Blockaroos!
And look at my robot.
Wow, look!
Ah!
Oh no.
And you can go inside of water.
Yes, these are super cool. So what are they? They are magnets.
And they're foam balls.
They're foam magnets, so they're soft and kind of squishy. And then there's the magnets, and they all connect to each other. Yeah, they all turn. So you can put them, you snap them together, and they all turn and twist.
They can make a tower.
Yeah, and they also float and be in water.
And can they sing too?
Dishwasher safe, bath friendly, soft foam, and magnetic blocks. Best bath toy ever. I bet it is. Whoa, let me hold it. Wow, does this propeller spin? Whoa, everything's spinning. Cool. We're gonna try it out in the water. He's floating.
Look at this thing.
Super sweeper. Woo! That's cool. It's like a buoy. Woohoo!
It's an item. Let's make a house. It's an explosion.
Up! Up! Whoa! You have a robot, Mark. Cool.
Explosion.
Let me see your robot, Mark. Cool.
Hey, I am baby.
Oh, he's cute. Let me see his face. Oh, sweet. I like him.
I can do it, Mommy.
Waterproof robot. I am a robot. Dive! Ah! Cool.
I'm
That's
like
awesome.
that.
Yeah. Let me look at it. Put it in the water. Cool. Whoa.
That's a super speed run. And rocket.
He's cute too.
Dum, dum,
Oh wow. They're looking at me. All three of them are looking at me. Doom, doom. Whoa.
Black balls.
Whoa. Cool, Mark.
That's not cool. That's not cool.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Super blasters. Very cool, guys. Oh, it's just a head. Oh, wow, look. Now we have an octopus. He's floating in the water.
So he's a pilot.
Yeah, octopus pilot. Put him in the water. Let him float. He can fly. Woo!
What?
Oh no, put him in the water. Let's see if he floats up. Yay, he's cute. Do it again.
Go. I can't breathe. Yeah, piece of fire. There's a piece of fire in the ocean.
Oh no.
Piece of fire.
Missile, move all the way from the missile.
I'm here down there.
Let's see. I think I'm gonna make a crazy looking helicopter. Yeah. Or it could be an octopus. Woo! Splash, 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 splash.
Now I'm going to make
Or look. Aw, he fell over. It's a buoy. And this one, look, he can, well, their head makes him fall over.
Ooh, guys, look. It's an ambulance water machine.
That's cool. That's awesome. Help me,
Help
help me, help me out of the water. Yay, thank you. Oh, his arms fell off. Hey, oh no.
I'm going to save you.
Thank you. Thanks. Hey, I'm gonna have arms.
What's his head doing here?
Oh my goodness, how did that happen? Let me see him.
How did that happen?
Oh, he looks crazy.
Oh my gosh.
He looks crazy.
That just popped on.
It's a magnet.
That's crazy. How did that broke his head? How did this head come on?
Here's a robot. I am a robot. I am a robot. Ah, not my head and my arm. Oh, well now I'm just a square.
Look at this.
So cool. Hey, Aiden, give him some, power drills. Give him another power drill.
Hey.
Whoa, Mark, that looks dangerous. There's another one behind you, Aiden. Power drill. Dig for the gold. Ah!
Robot arms.
Whoa. Missile launch. Oh, that's cute, Mark. He's cute.
No, he's bad since he does this.
Ah!
That's why he's bad.
Boom. Crash.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Finish that is Bowser? Is that gonna be finish that is Bowser? Hey! What did you get there?
I put him on there. Oh my. Whoa. He has 3 heads.
And he has some spikes.
He looks crazy.
I just found it.
Some sea monster.
I found it. In the
Sea
water,
monster.
floating around.
Boom.
You wanna see me make a rowboat?
Sure. Whoa, that is a super speedboat. Whoa.
It could blast off.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, it fell to pieces. Cool, Mark. Let me see. He's cool. Whoa, Aiden, that looks really cool. It's a super rocket ship. Cool.
It's so fast it doesn't even need wings.
Whoa, that's super fast. Ah! Hey! That wasn't very nice. Ah! Ouch. Ah! Ah! Awesome! It's a robot spaceship thing. Whoa! Be nice to Mark. Good thing it's soft.
That's where he's going. That's just wrong.
You can fly. So you can make all kinds of really cool stuff. Whoa! And it can float in the water. There's a cool water toy. And you know what?
What?
I could just throw these in the dishwasher after and clean.
No.